Hi, I am Dr. Shigar Kanti. In this video, we find the nth derivatives of the product of some trigonometry functions. This is the example. Find the nth derivative of sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. And second one is cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. That is, this is the product of the trigonometry function. This is also product of the trigonometric functions. We know the nth derivatives of sine and cos. If we are able to convert these trigonometric functions as sum or differences of the cos or sine, then we can find the nth derivative. For that, we know the formulas. In trigonometry, we have the formulas. We have sin c plus sin d is equal to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. That is, sum of sines can be written as the product of sine and cos. Difference of sine also, sin c minus sin d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. And cos c plus cos d equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos of c minus d by 2. And cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 times sin c plus d by 2 into sin of c minus d by 2. So this is using these formulas, we can write sum or difference of the sines and the causes can be written as the product of sines causes. Okay. Now if I come in reverse order, that is, if I put c plus d by 2 is equal to a, c minus d by 2 is equal to b, then we can write, that is, we can come from right to left, that is, product of the two trigonometry functions to sum or difference of the two trigonometry functions. See, the first one is sine into cos. Okay, sine cos is there. Sine cos can be written as sine sine, that is sine plus sine. This is cos sine is there. Cos, this is sine. Cos sine can be written as sine minus sine. This is cos cos. Cos cos can be written as cos plus cos. This is minus of sine sine is there. Sine sine can be written as cos minus cos. Okay. So that is taking c plus d by 2 is equal to a, c minus d by 2 is equal to b. Then we can write right hand side. The first formula becomes c is equal c plus d by 2 is equal to a, c minus d by 2 is equal to b. This becomes the first one. 2 sin a cos a is equal to 1 by 2 into sin c plus sin d. C becomes a plus b, d becomes, d is nothing but a minus b. That is, we are converting c and d in terms of a and b. C is a plus b, d is a minus b. C plus d by 2 is equal to a, c minus d by 2 is equal to b. So 2 sin a cos b, sin a cos b equal to 1 by 2 into sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. Similarly, cos a sin b equal to 1 by 2 into sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. And third one becomes cos a cos b is equal to 1 by 2 into cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. And minus of sin into sin, that is minus sin a sin b can be written as 1 by 2 into cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. So these are the formulas. Sin a cos b equal to 1 by 2 into sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Cos a sin b equal to 1 by 2 into sin of a plus b minus sin of a minus b. Cos a cos b equal to 1 by 2 into cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Sin a sin b equal to minus 1 by 2 into cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b. Okay, so these are the four formulas. Using these formulas, we can find the nth derivatives of the given functions. The first example is given that y equal to sin x, sin 2x, sin 3x. This is equal to, see, I will keep the sin 3x as it is. For these two, I am applying this formula. Which formula? This last formula. Sin a sin b can be written as, here this is in the form of sin a sin b. Okay, sin A sin B equal to minus of 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. So that is minus 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B x plus 2x minus cos of A minus B x minus 2x. This becomes minus x, but we know that cos of minus x equal to cos x itself. So this becomes minus 1 by 2 into cos 3x minus cos x into sin 3x. So that is minus 1 by 2 into cos 3x sin 3x minus this minus into minus is plus 1 by 2 into sin 3x cos x, or you can write cos x sin 3x, anyway we can write. Now again here minus 1 by 2 is there. Okay, minus 1 by 2. What I do here is angle is same. Here the angle is same. Cos 3x sin 3x is there. What it is, or we can write sin 3x cos 3x. I will multiply by 2 and divide by 2. Okay, multiply by 2 divide by 2. This becomes 4. The minus 1 by 4 into 2 sin 3x into cos 3x plus 1 by 2 as it is. This is sin cos. Sin cos can be written as a sin plus sin. That is 1 by 2 into sin plus sin. So already 1 by 2 was there. Now this becomes 1 by 4 into sin plus sin. Sin of the first one is addition. Second one is the subtraction. Sin of 3x plus x 4x. Sin of 3x minus x. This is equal to 2x. So that is simplifying this. And we know that 2 sin A cos A equal to sin of 2A. This becomes sin of 6x. Okay. So minus 1 by 4 into, this is nothing but sin of 6x plus 1 by 4 into sin of 4x plus 1 by 4 into sin of 2x. Now we can find the nth derivatives of this. So that is y equal to this. Therefore yn equal to minus 1 by 4 as it is. Sin 6x derivative is 6 to the power of n into sin of n pi by 2 plus 6x plus 1 by 4 into sin 4x nth derivative is 4 to the power of n into sin of n pi by 2 plus 4x plus 1 by 4 into sin 2x nth derivative is 2 power of n into sin of n pi by 2 plus 2x. This is the nth derivative. Similarly, the second example is y equal to cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. I will write this as, I will keep this cos 3x as it is. Cos can be written as half into cos plus cos. That is half into cos of, for the first one, a plus b, that is addition. X plus 2x is 3x plus cos of a minus b, x minus 2x is minus x. But cos of minus x is equal to cos x itself. Okay. Now again this is equal to 1 by 2 into cos 3x cos 3x cos square 3x plus 1 by 2 into cos x cos 3x or cos x cos 3x. We can write as you like. Now this is equal to 1 by 2 into cos square can be written as 1 plus cos of double of this angle. Okay, we have cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Here x is equal to 3x, 2x is nothing but 6x. So 1 by 2 into cos square 3x can be written as 1 plus cos 6x by 2 plus. This is 1 by 2 as it is. Cos into cos can be written as 1 by 2 into cos plus cos. So 1 by 2 was already there. Now this becomes 1 by 4. Cos plus cos. First one addition, second one subtraction. Cos of x plus 3x is 4x plus cos of x minus 3x is minus 2x. But cos of minus 2x is same as cos of 2x. So this is equal to 1 by 2 into taking the separate denominator here. This is 1 by 2. So first term becomes 1 by 4 plus this term becomes 2 into 2. Cos 6x by 4 plus this is cos 4x by 4 plus cos 2x by 4. Now we can find the nth derivatives of these functions. So yn is equal to nth derivative of 1 by 4 is 0 plus nth derivative of this is 1 by 4 into nth derivative of this is 6 power of n into cos of n pi by 2 plus 6x plus 1 by 4 as it is cos 4x nth derivative is 4 power of n into cos of n pi by 2 plus 4x plus 1 by 4 into nth derivative of cos 2x is 2 power of n into cos of n pi by 2 plus 2x. Okay. Next example, find the nth derivative of sin square x cos cube x and nth derivative of sin cube x into cos square x. Okay. Already we have these formulas. Sin cube a can be written as 1 by 4 into 3 sin a minus sin of 3a. Okay. And cos cube a equal to 1 by 4 into 3 cos a plus cos 3a. And sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by, sorry, this is 2. This is 2. Okay. Cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Now, consider the first example. Sin square x cos cube x. This is equal to sin square x is nothing but 1 minus cos 2x by 2 into cos cube x is 1 by 4 into 3 cos x plus cos of 3x. Okay. This one, cos cube x can be written in this form. This is equal to 1 by 8 into 1 by 8 into right, multiplying 1 into 3 cos x is 3 cos x, 1 into cos 3x is cos 3x, minus cos 2x into 3 cos x is 3 cos 2x cos x, minus into plus is minus cos 2x into cos 3x. Okay. Now, there is no problem with this. We can find the nth derivative of this. We can find the nth derivative of this. Only the problem is here, here and here. Here we can use the formulas. That is converting the product of two trigonometric functions into sum or difference of the two trigonometric functions. So I will write 1 by 8, this 3 cos x as it is plus cos 3x as it minus 3 as it is. Cos 2x cos x, that is cos can be written as cos plus cos. 1 by 2 into cos plus cos. For the first angle, addition 2x plus x, a plus b, that is 2x plus x is 3x plus. For the second one, a minus b, 2x minus x is x. So cos 3x plus cos x minus, again cos 2x cos 3x is there. This is again, this can be written as cos plus cos, minus 1 by 2 into cos of cos plus cos. Here, first one is addition, 2x plus 3x is 5x. Second one is the subtraction, 2x minus 3x is minus x. Cos of minus x is equal to cos x itself. This is equal to 1 by 8 into 3 cos x is there, and here we have minus 3 by 2 cos x. Okay, minus 3 by 2 cos x, and this is 1 minus 1 by 2 cos x. 3 cos x minus 2 cos x is 1 cos x. And next, cos 3x. See, this is 1 cos 3x. This is minus 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 into cos 3x. 1 cos 3x minus 3 by 2 cos 3x is minus 1 by 2 into cos 3x. And then remaining this term, minus 1 by 2 into cos of 5x. Now we can find the nth derivative of these functions. So therefore yn equal to 1 by 8 as it is. Nth derivative of this is cos of n pi by 2 plus x minus 1 by 2 into nth derivative of cos 3x is 3 power of n cos of n pi by 2 plus 3x minus 1 by 2 into nth derivative of this is 5 to the power of n into cos of n pi by 2 plus 5x. This is the nth derivative. So next example is sin cube x cos square x y equal to sin cube x cos square x. This is equal to, you can use the sin cube x formula and cos square x formula, or we can write like this also. Sin cube can be written as sin x into sin square x. That is sin x into sin square x into cos square x. That is sin square x, sin x into sin square x into cos square x. That is sin x cos x whole square. This is equal to sin x into, here I will multiply by 2 and divide by 2. If I multiply this by 2, I am getting 2 sin x cos x. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x divided by 2 as it is whole square. This is equal to, this becomes 1 by 4. 1 by 4 into sin x into sin square 2x. Sin square 2x can be written as 1 minus cos 4x by 2. Okay. And this is equal to 1 by 4 into 2 is 1 by 8 into sin x into 1 is sin x minus sin x into cos x. Okay. Sin x into cos x. I can find the nth derivative of this, but I have to convert this into sum or difference. This is in the form of sin into cos. Sin into cos can be written as 1 by 2 into either sin plus sin or sin minus sin. So this is equal to sin x as it is minus 1 by 2 into sin minus, if I write sin plus sin here, if you consider this as sin cos, then I write this as sin plus sin. That is sin of a plus b plus sin of a minus b. This is equal to sin of a plus b, x plus 4x is 5x, plus sin of a minus b, sin of x minus 4x, that's sin of minus 3x. But sin of minus 3x is minus sin 3x. So this minus sin of 3x. This is equal to 1 by 8 into sin x minus 1 by 2 into sin 5x, minus into minus is plus 1 by 2 into sin 3x. Now we can find the nth derivative of these. So nth derivative is given by y 1 by 8 into yn equal to 1 by 8 into nth derivative of sin is, sin x is sin of n pi by 2 plus x minus 1 by 2 into nth derivative of this is 5 to the power of n into sin of n pi by 2 plus 5x plus 1 by 2 into nth derivative of this is given by 3 power of n sin of n pi by 2 plus 3x. So this is our yn. Okay. Okay, thank you. I will stop here.